Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, hello mga lalabs. Ayan, eto yung aking part 2 ng aking birthday greetings ng aking mga kaibigan. Hindi siya magkaasya ng part 1 lang kasi merong mahaba, merong maikli kasi yung iba talagang napakaano ang mga wish nila sa akin ng kanilang mga message sa akin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. Sinakripisyo kong binasa ko lahat, pinakinggan ko lahat-lahat. Meron akong naiiyak, meron akong natatawa sa inyo, meron yung mga nag-advise sa akin. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. My friend in Facebook, my friend in YT, thank you so much sa inyong pagmamahal. Thank you so much for your love and support to my YT and for the unconditional love. Thank you so much to all. And this is my part 2 of my birthday wishes, birthday greetings. Again, thank you so much and for the love. I hope we are still here. We're friends until the end. Ayan mga lalabs, this is the part 2 of my birthday greetings. RKR, mga lalabs, here. Ang aking mga beautiful friends. Ayan, thank you so much sa part 1 and this is the part 2 and meron pa rin part 3 mga lalabs. Ayan, again, thank you and again, happy birthday to me. Ayan, good health. Bye, I love you. Ayan.
Day, gusto ko lang pong batiin ang ating kaibigan dito sa White World. Lalab, shout out sa iyo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung kailan po ito ipalabas. Happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. At enjoy your day. Ingat po kayo dyan. Don't forget to pray. Ipagdasal po natin na maging okay ang lahat, na sana po hinto na po yung gulo dyan. At ingat po kayo lagi. Again, happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you and enjoy your day. Kahit pa man sa gulo dyan. Okay, this is for you. Kakantahan po kita ng birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Love you.
Ayan, may gabi shoutout po sa inyo lahat. And of course, ayan, ano mayroong ganap tigs? Ayan, tigs, strawberry lensana. Ayan, birthday mo pala. Hoy. Nagbe-birthday ka pa sa panahong ito, nagigera na. Ayan. So, anyway, ayan, happy birthday to you. Ayan, and wishing you always good health. And of course, more years to come. At sana kung ano man ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay ay magkaroon ng katuparan yan. And of course, ang wish ko lang for your birthday is not for yourself, but sana ay maging daan ang iyong birthday ngayon. Sa pamamagitan ng mga wishes ay madinig ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Ang mga wishes such like I wish for your birthday is kapayapaan po sa mga nangyayari ngayong kaguluhan dito sa pagitan ng iba't ibang bansa. So sana ay magkaroon ng kapayapaan. Yan ang aking wish para sa iyong birthday. So enjoy your day. Ayan, at sana ay bago sumapit ang alam ko ay magbabakasyon ka. So sana ay magkaroon na ng katahimikan at sa gayon ay hindi na maantala ang iyong pagbakasyon. At remember pagbalik mo Pag wala kang pasalubong sa akin, nako, ibablock kita. Pasalubong nga, ayan, at of course, ingat-ingat lagi, ayan, and of course, although na medyo hindi na ako ngayon active sa YT, we are still here as a friend, ayan, at sana ay walang magbabago, ayan, at pasensya na rin kung hindi ako nakaka-support masyado sa inyo dahil parang nag-give up ko na yung YT, parang natamad na ako. So, good luck na lang po sa inyo, no? And of course, once again, happy birthday and God bless always. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, Early Mix Vlog. Good morning dito sa Middle East. Kagigising lang guys. Ayan, dahil may bisita kami kagabi, pagod po yata. Anong oras na ako nakatulog. So ayun, pero isiningit ko pa rin ito. Hindi mo man ako hinihingi ng birthday greetings, pero ginawaan kita. Dahil syempre, may pinagsamahan din naman tayo. Kahit nawalan tayo ng communication, ayan. Ito, gusto ko iparating sa iyo ang aking simpleng wishes para sa iyo. Strawberry Lensana, ayan. Strawberry Mix Vlog, ayan. Happy birthday, ayan. Sana ano man yung naging misunderstanding natin, sana maayos pa natin. Dahil ako naman, hindi naman ako kasi ako yung kilala mo ako, napaka-frank ako. Kung ano yung hindi ko sasabihin ng talikuran, talagang sasabihin ko sa'yo kung kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin. So, ayun. Pero hindi ako nagtatanim ng galit. Kumbaga, nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding. Kinalimutan ko na yun dahil ayoko umiyak. Basta gusto kong enjoy your special day. Ayan. Sana lahat ng goal mo ma-achieve mo. Ayan. Lalo ngayon may apo ka na. Alam ko kung noon nagsisipag ka, mas lalo ka nagsisipag ngayon dahil may apo ka na So, ayun lang. Ingat lagi yung health, ayan. Basta ipagpatuloy mo lang yung kasipagan mo sa paggawa ng content, ayan. Dinaig mo na ako. Dati ako ang sipag gumawa ng content, pero mas masipag ka. So, once again, happy birthday. Good health always. Ayan, ingat-ingat lang tayo mga OFW. God bless you more, Strawberry. Early Mix Vlog.
Hello everyone, I just want to greet one of our dear friend in YouTube, none other than Sis Lansana Delantar, aka Strawberry Mix Vlog, for having her birthday celebration today. I wish her good health, sister, and thank you so much for being on our team, being a supportive member on our team, and happy birthday to you. I hope you are all fine there in Saudi Arabia, and I wish more birthdays to come in your life, and especially also more blessings to your family. And happy birthday once again. Thank you so much for being my friend. And I'm so busy. I just read your message today, and thank you so much. Hi everyone! Babatiin natin ng ating kaibigan dito sa YT World ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday sa iyo, sis Strawberry! And wish ko sa'yo ay marami pa ding blessings na darating sa atin, sa buhay mo. And then maging healthy palagi kasi may mga anak at pamilya pa tayo nag-aantay sa atin. Kaya dapat alagaan natin ang ating health and alagaan din natin ang ating sarili. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, sis. God bless and all the best, and wish ko matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Happy birthday!
Hello everyone, Namaste and my dear Strawberry Mix Vlog, Namaste. I'm Safa Mix Vlog, my dear. Happy birthday. May you always be happy and enjoy your birthday a lot with your family. And my prayer is that your channel becomes very big. Keep praising it a lot. And thank you so much. Support my channel.
And you are very beautiful and very cute.
Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. This is Susmita Odhikari from Susmita Odhikari's Kitchen and Blog. Today is a very special day because it's the birthday of Strawberry Mix Vlog. Happy birthday, sis. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of happiness, success, and good health. I pray that your channel grows more and more every day. It's really wonderful working together, and I hope we continue supporting each other and creating amazing content together in the future as well. Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love, joy, and success. Stay happy and stay healthy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Cici Stro. Happy birthday. We were once an adopted daughter of La Union. At hanggang ngayon naman is adopted daughter pa rin ako ng La Union. But since you left La Union already, so natira na lang ako. Pero nakakatuwa dahil because of that, nagkaroon tayo ng connection. We can like talk easily and seems like we know each other for a long time. At siguro dahil relate nga tayo sa isa't isa. And since Cici, today is your birthday, I wish you have the best birthday ever. And wherever the years ahead takes you, I hope it will be happy and in good shape. Happy birthday!
Ayan, so hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa ating lahat. This is LG Airoso Antoinette, 33 TV. Ay nandito kami para magbigay ng birthday greeting sa ating Sisi na si Strawberry. Ayan, happy birthday Sisi. Sana kung ano man yung mga wishes mo sa buhay ay makuha mo at ibigay sa iyo ni Lord. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, sabi nga nila. So enjoy your day. More candles to blow, more cakes to slice, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, friend. Oh, dali, ikaw naman.
Happy birthday!
Ramay ba na sabi ko di happy birthday?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ha? Saan ba tayo?
Sandawan Treat. Kung magkakasama lang talaga eh, no? Ayan, so, buti naalala ko Sisi kasi nasa bakasyon kami ngayon. So, nandito kami sa Japan. Ayan. Okay, so again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best, Sisi. Again, bye. Love you. Mwah, mwah, choo choo. Bye.